right? We have somebody with bone-on-bone osteoarthritis in the left hip, and they say it's very painful. Would stem cell treatment work to rebuild cartilage? They had it done a year ago without any
benefit, probably. Yeah, well, it doesn't work. Okay, there are people out there that'll spend a lot of money for stem cell, not realizing what they're doing. You can, in fact, though, give a good bit of relief for this problem using a Hyogan or Synvisc, which is an FDA-approved technique. It gets paid for by Medicare and most insurances, whereas stem cell does not. You do it 3 or 4 or 5 times into the joint, and what that does is it lubricates the joint as the body will heal on its own. Stem cell, not so much. Glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate with MSM is something that a lot of people take for this. Glucosamine and MSM is really all you need. It's useful for the hip as well as the knee. You can do both, but Synvisc or Hyogan are the 2 brands. Ask for them by name.